Yeah, this one's for Ludacris.
How low can you go? 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 How low can you go?
I'm a bad man, flipping off all these rappers, trying to fucking tell me they ain't got shit. You a bad man. I'ma tell you like it is in the real shit. If you wanna come with me, then I'll get your girl, bitch. Ha! I'm always fucking your wifey. It's like this. Cause you already all about my dick. It's a white shit. I already got your kids. I already got this shit. Popping crystal like it was nothing, bitches. I'm a bad man. I'm making these shit rappers look like they were the good shit. But now I'm coming out with my own fucking clique. If you wanna fuck with me, then you're fucking with MPF, bitch. Fuck all these haters trying to fucking tell me that I'm a bitch. I'ma fuck you up like a motherfucking Ludacris. Fucking tell me that you cut off my motherfucking beat. I'm gonna get in your face and call you a fucking wannabe. Trying to tell me that I'm a bad man, bitch. Try to fucking tell me that I ain't got shit. Guess what, kids? I got this fresh shit on my motherfucking spit. I go off the fella off of this motherfucking shit. So go ahead and fuck with me, you're fucking with the wrong fella. Fuck with me, kids, you're gonna get feeling heavy though. Go ahead and smoke your weed, it's the good shit. Smoking coffee, nigga, cause you just a fucking bitch. Then you fucking tell me that you got them blunts hitting that afro. Dog, you ain't got shit. I got that fucking hydro. Yeah, so fucking tell me that you got shit. Ludacris, you just a bitch. Don't even fucking talk shit.